And then sometimes you can get real lucky whenever you're soldering has a wire hole in it already. So what you do is you strip the wire. I need a manicure. Strip the wire. And it's basically your third hand. So you can hold that in there just like that. Try to do it facing up so you can see. Clean your tip. And you always add the solder in between the joint. Not on the wire or on the terminal. You kind of want to, add it in between so everything can flow in there. You want everything to flow. I think this is going to fall down, but let's see here. Hold it down. Add it in between. Hold on for a second. Boom. Done. Oh, still hot. Let it cool down. There you go. Focus. There you go. So everything's all nice and flowy and shiny. And that should be about it.